Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye Best and you're welcome to Onye Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video we are still on SIGNALE di DIVIETO. Okay, so we'll be treating DIVIETO di Transito a veicoli con 3 o più ruote. Okay, we'll also be seeing other particular lessons covered in this video. I did 3 lessons in this video. Okay, so we'll be seeing the 3 of them as we further proceed. Okay, if you're just seeing my video for the first time, I beg you to, of course, subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, and of course, at the end of this video, if you like what you're getting, please do want to give me a thumbs up. Okay, it's very important for this video to go broad. All right, let's get started. So, number 1 is divieto di transito a veicoli con 3 o più ruote. That means this is, when you remember that this is signal divieto, when you know them by the shape, the name, the background color. Okay, and of course, look at the image inside of what they're giving you. It is referring to that image, either referring to the particular vehicle or category of users of that vehicle. Okay, please always look at the image inside of the signals. It is very important. Okay, now this is signale di divieto. It is forbidding these vehicles from entering. Let us look at what it is trying to tell us. È un segnale di divieto, vieta il transito su quella strada a tutti gli autoveicoli e motoveicoli che hanno 3 o più ruote. Now this sign is segnale di divieto. Now it forbids the transit of all vehicle or auto vehicles or motor vehicles, please, or auto vehicles or motor vehicles che hanno, that has 3 or more tires. What does this mean? If your vehicle has 3 or more tires, you're forbidden from entering this road. Auto vehicles, motor vehicles. If you find yourself in this category, you have 3 or more tires, please do not enter. Tricicli, quadricicli, autoveicoli, autocarro, autobus. For example, tricicli, quadricicli, autoveicoli, and autocarro and autobus. Now, this set of vehicles are not allowed to enter. Why? Because they have more than 3 tires. Non vale per veicoli senza motore. Now, this sign you're seeing only valid for vehicles with 3 or more tires, like tricicli onwards, but it does not valid for vehicles without an engine. Okay, it does not valid for vehicles without an engine. For example, bicicletta, which is bicycle, carretta, etc. So any vehicles without engine, even veicoli a braccia, it does not forbid these vehicles from entering. Motocicli e ciclomotori. You know, motocicli has engine. Ciclomotori also has engine, but it does not forbid them from entering because they only have 2 ruote, which is 2 tires. Okay, now we are referring to vehicles with 3 or more tires. They cannot enter where this sign is being placed. Okay. Non è vero che è consentito il transito alle autovetture adibiti a servizio di taxi. Now, it is not true that it allows the transit of taxi, autovetture, which is our normal car, where they use to taxi. In order to say these vehicles, it allowed them to use the road. Remember that, of course, it has from 3 onwards, the tire from 3 onwards cannot enter. So these vehicles cannot enter. So it is not true that it allows them to enter. So long as the tire don't pass from 3 upwards, you cannot enter where you see this sign. Remember that vehicles without engine, like bicycles and carrozzetta, all those ones can enter. And also remember that motorcycles can enter. Remember also that ciclomotori can enter. Okay, from tricicli onwards, please watch out for this sign. Okay, we'll be seeing divieto di transito agli autobus. Remember, check the image, the image that is being drawn inside of the sign. It is referring to it. Okay, for this case, it is referring to autobus now. It says divieto di transito. They cannot transit or seeing this sign. Now, what is it saying? È un segnale di divieto, vieta transito su quella strada a tutti gli autobus. Now, it forbids all autobus to use this road. anche se turistici or scolastici. Now, even if it is for tourism purposes or for school purposes, so long as it is autobus, you cannot enter this road. Consente il transito ai pedoni e a tutti gli altri veicoli. Now, in this case, it allows pedoni to pass and other type of vehicle, okay? Now, including autovettura, including autocarro, including autocaravan, including so many other vehicles can enter. Only autobus, please. It is referring to only autobus. Non è vero che è valido solo nei giorni feriali. Now, it's not true that it valids for only working days. It is not true that this sign valids for only giorni feriali. Okay, the last one we are going to be seeing on this video is divieto di transito agli autocarro che superano 3,5 tonnellate. Now this one, remember, look at the image inside of the sign. This is referring to autocarro, that their full mass load has passed 3.5 tons. When you see the sign, get it in your mind. It is referring to autocarro with the full mass load more than 3.5 tonnellate, which is 3.5 tons. Now, è un segnale di divieto, of course. Vieta il transito su quella strada a tutti gli autoveicoli che trasportano merci, cose. Okay, now it forbids the transit in this road of all auto vehicles that transport goods, okay, and that transport things. Now, autocarro is an example, autotreno is an example, another example, auto articulati, another example. Okay, guys, now it forbids these vehicles because they transport things and, of course, they transport goods. Okay, con massa a pieno carico superiore a 3,5 tonnellate, with their full mass load now, including the load we then carry, their full mass load don't come past 3.5 tons. They cannot enter. Ok. Consente quindi il transito di veicoli destinati a trasporto di persone che se superano 3,5 tonnellate. Okay, now this can actually confuse you, but you have to be very careful. Ad esempio, autobus, caravan. You know, caravan, they're used in transporting people, okay? Autocaravan, they're used in transporting people, okay? Now, it says, even if your vehicle is used in transporting people, just like autobus that we usually enter, okay, even if that autobus passes 3.5 tons, the autobus can enter because it is not referring to autobus. It is referring to those that are used for transporting things like autocarro, auto articulati, auto train. It is referring to them. If their full mass load has passed 3.5 tons, they cannot enter. Okay, it is not referring to the one transporting people. Even if the people own their ton at the end of it all is 6.5, they can enter because it is not referring to them. It is referring to the one used in transporting goods and things. Do you understand? If there's anything giving you any form of if there's anything you don't understand at all in this video, leave it in the comment section. I will go across it, and of course, I will quickly give you an answer. Okay, guys, please, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you have not followed us, what are you waiting for? Please follow us. And the good thing you can do for my channel is sharing my video. Okay, that's the only way you can at least say thank you for these videos. Please share my videos to your friends, to your family, your loved ones. Okay, let's get the channel moving. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.